Miss Paps, gaano kalapit ang cosmetic products at ginawa niyo talaga tong business?
Kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, matagal ko na dream to at iniisip na gawin. And finally, para nagawa ko siya. Nagawa na namin, hindi lang ako pala. Nagawa na namin. So it's really a dream of mine. Why beauty products? Because I don't know, I'm into beauty products also. I'm also a fan. Every time I go to mga stores where they sell mga pampaganda, ako biktima ako dyan. Lahat gusto ko i-try, lahat ng bago. Curious ako. Siyempre gusto natin parating lalo na pag meron silang bagong naiimbento na kunyari anti-wrinkle, pampabata. Nako, biktima talaga ako dyan. Suki ako dyan kasi gustong-gusto ko i-try yun. So, we wanted to come up with a brand that can actually not just, it's not just makeup, but it will also help you. Actually, ang idea kasi is it's for women 30s and above. Ayan. But of course, again, all the baguettes can use it, no? Because we are coming up with a lot of popular colors. But why do I say that? Because we want to hit a lot of birds with one stone. So may mga anti-aging elements siya and everything. Hydration, yun nga, plumpness. And even in the future products, that's what they'll get. They're not just gonna get a makeup, but it's makeup that will also be good for their skin. It can also help kunyari with some fine lines while they're using the makeup. So it's something to watch out for.
Nag-inspire ka rin ba sa ibang celebrities? Although na-mention mo kanina Vice, who have their own lines of cosmetic.
Yes, actually, when they launched, no, sabi ko, I've always wanted, yun ang line ko parati, wow, I've always wanted something like that. So, yun.
Actually, parang business woman ka eh.
Correct.
So,
kaya tanong ko din, what took you so long? Kasi kung nakikita mo nga sila,